Hello, everyone. Welcome to BlockLeap Academy. We are going to see the public and private key pair, which is very, very, very important concept in order to understand how you can protect your funds using cryptography in cryptocurrencies. Remember, cryptocurrency, the prefix is crypto, meaning cryptography. So, as we mentioned in the previous chapters, when you buy crypto, you put your crypto in some digital wallet. And in order to get the ownership, let's talk about Bitcoin, okay? And this ownership of the Bitcoin you just bought is established through digital keys, the two keys, the pair, private and public. And you know that we are going to see it again now, but the analogy with the bank account is useful. And this pair of keys is going to give you ownership through, I repeat, Bitcoin addresses and digital signature. So the whole thing inside the system that I explained before, and I'm going to explain it again today, is giving you the ownership of these coins. So obviously there are digital keys. Everything here is digital, okay? But before we go further on, I just want to ask you a question. Where are your keys located? Remember before I asked, where are your coins located? Now, where are your keys located? So again, pause the video and think of it, or look on the internet trying to find an answer. Okay? See you in a minute. All right. So let's see the answers, because always in crypto, you've got many possible answers because you've got many levels. So you've got beginner, intermediate, advanced level on every single topic. All right. So yes, the digital keys are not actually stored in the network. So the coins are, your keys are instead stored in a file, which is called the wallet. Your wallet is your keys, okay? This is very important to understand. And these keys are giving you the ownership because it creates an address, and you've got a private key, which is a password to access these coins. All right. And all of that, all this mathematics is based on cryptography. All right. So we talk a lot about digital signature. And this digital signature is used when you want to send, or what we say here, to spend funds. When you send a Bitcoin to someone, your private key would be very important for this digital signature, this witness. Okay, it's called in the jargon. So the witness data in a Bitcoin transactions testify that you are the true owner of the coin if you got the private key. All right. So the most important aspect of these topics is like, don't lose your key, because let's carry on with the bank account analogy. Imagine you lose your card, or even you lose your password, online password. You can call someone, or you can go to the bank, and with your passport, you can say, look, I lost my key. Can you give me another set of keys? And obviously the bank is going to give it to you. So with the banking system, which is centralized, you always call someone if you've got an issue. But with crypto, if you lose your keys, but your private key, you can't call anyone because it's totally decentralized. There is no boss inside of Bitcoin. You are doomed. You lost your funds forever. So again, don't use your keys, and don't put your keys somewhere, for instance, online. So don't take a picture, don't put it on your computer, because you can be hacked at one point, and the hacker is going to take your key And if he's got your keys, he's got your funds, and you lose everything. And you can't go back. All right? Right. So I think I will stick to the bank account analogy. All right. And you need to remember that your public key and private key are the most important thing about this cryptography topic. Okay. So really, in a nutshell, your public key is like your bank account. Like everyone can see it, you give it to people and people can send money to you. To do the same with your public key. If you want me to send you 1 Bitcoin, you're going to give me your public key from your wallet. Okay. Your private key is similar to a PIN number. Okay. And is known only by you. Okay. If I can reach your private key, I could take it and enter in a wallet. I download a wallet, put the private key, get your funds. Okay, very important. And these digital keys are kept inside a wallet file and managed by the Bitcoin wallet software. Okay, this is very important. So you can say, oh yeah, but if I lose my phone, am I going to lose my keys? All right, if you lose your phone, you can again buy a new one, go and download the wallet, let's say Abra, because I'm using Abra wallet. And then with your private key, which is called a seed, you've got, so your private key is like, let's say a 12 or 24 set of words, which are really numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, until 12. So you enter, so the wallet is going to ask you, do you want an entire new wallet or do you want to get an old wallet? You say, I want to get my wallet, and they will offer you these places where you're going to type your 12 or 24 words. All right, I finished for today. Let's talk about mathematical relationship, which is very important. It's like in Bitcoin, so you use public key cryptography to create a pair that control the access to Bitcoin. The key pair, consists of a private and public key, okay? And this public key is used to receive funds, okay? And your private key is used to sign your spending when you're going to sell or exchange your Bitcoin. All right, it's very easy to understand. And obviously, you've got a mathematical relationship between this public key and this private key. All right, and it happens the same for your bank account. So don't be impressed by all this terminology. Just think of bank account, and you will understand how the private public keys pairs work. All right, hope it was helpful. See you